Theta United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at 92 cents. Or so they for the most part thought. The sort of current exchanging volume of Theta organization truly is at $11,268,581, exhibiting how Theta United States dollar medium-term support most certainly remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization by and large is buy esteemed at 58 cents. Bears control Theta's really current cost activities, or so they in a real sense thought. 21 September 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What especially is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Generally is Theta an excellent interest in a for the most part significant manner, Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is very critical. Yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Theta specialized examination, fundamentally let us truly discuss the essentially current economic situations, or so they fundamentally thought. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,054,588,025,469, and in an every practical sense, huge way. The kind of all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $30,136,343,183 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in a very huge manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level, after a decay of 1.61%, showing how 21 September 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for kind of the following week, and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, sought clarification on some things facts. What in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Theta organization? Truly is Theta a sort of wise venture, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period, showing how the by and large all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $30,136,343,183, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP generally is somewhere near 1.51 and presently exchanging at 51 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions show that the market generally is going in a kind of descending heading for pretty momentary in a very enormous manner. As of now, a really broad, most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Theta United States dollar medium-term support really remained at 92 cents in a sort of significant manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become genuinely more most certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 1.51 and presently exchanging at 51 cents in an especially significant manner. which explicitly is very critical. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, for the most part is at 58 cents, down 2.65% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 1.09% over the course of the week in a genuinely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 11,268,581.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $584,643,650 United States dollars. Genuinely further appearance how one-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 11,268,581.00 United States dollars, while genuinely absolute market cap came to $584,643,650 United States dollars, or so they generally thought. There certainly are very nearly 1 billion, certainly are available for use out of 1 billion. Showing what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, exhibiting how 21 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts. What basically is by and large transient cost expectation for Theta organization, sort of is Theta wise venture, which basically is genuinely critical. Theta organization value investigation Theta cost examination for 21 September 2023, insight and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span, certainly made sense of underneath, which especially is genuinely huge. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Theta organization, so they're in every way that really matters, are very nearly 1 billion. For the most part are available for use out of 1 billion, showing what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, exhibiting how 21 September 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is in every way that